I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum to show you this gorgeous wig here. This is the lovely Arrow wig from Ellen Wille Perucci Collection. She is a gorgeous longer style, synthetic fibres, and these are gorgeous soft waves that are already styled in, making her so easy to throw on and go. I absolutely love this wig. This is one of the wigs that I wore every day when I was wearing wigs. I just think she is so pretty and so easy to just throw on, and that's you ready to go for the day. I'm going to flip her inside out now so that we can take a closer look at her cap construction. Inside the wig, so inside Arrow here we have got a lovely long lace front. This makes it look as if the hairs are growing straight out of your own head. The hairline on this wig I think is extremely natural, and it's all thanks to this great lace front as well as your monofilament parting. So again, this enables you to see straight through to your own scalp, giving it a really natural and realistic appearance. The rest of the cap here, we have got some lovely open wefting. This has a great bit of stretch and elasticity to it, so the wig is really going to kind of cling to your head and make sure it's not going to move anywhere all day long. You've also got your little Velcro adjusters down the bottom here, which is great for just adjusting so you can make sure the wig is fitting you perfectly. And you've got your little metal stays as well, so that you can kind of mold the wig to your temples and give it the perfect fit for you. I'm just going to pop on a little wig cap and then we'll take a little look at what Arrow looks like when you're wearing her. And there we go, this is the gorgeous Arrow wig. I just think she is such a pretty style. I love the kind of pattern to these waves here, and I just find her so comfortable and great to wear all day long. Lengthwise, we've got 53 centimetres of length overall and 35 centimetres at the fringe. So you've got a really gorgeous, long, pretty style with this one. I'm going to do a little spin around so you can see how Arrow looks from every angle. This here is the shade Bernstein Rooted, which is a gorgeous sort of light brunette shade with these lovely lighter highlights running through it. Arrow is available in a whole range of different colours, and I've got a couple here to show you today. This shade here is Copper Brown Mix, which is a lovely red toned brunette shade, very auburny, perfect for this time of year and also very on trend at the moment. And the final shade I've got here to show you is Caramel Lighted, which is this lovely light blonde shade, very multi-dimensional with loads of tones running throughout and a slightly deeper root there, giving a really natural appearance. I really hope you've enjoyed learning a little bit more about the gorgeous Arrow wig from Ellen Wille Perucci Collection. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. We've been making a whole load of other videos for you on the channel, so don't forget to check them out whilst you're over here. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media platforms. And head on over to the website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. We'll see you again soon.